Although big flashy gaming PCs may get most of the attention thanks to their looks and the amount of power they pack, there is much to love about compact mini ITX builds. Using a mini ITX case, you can implement all the components of your computer in a tiny build that doesn't have to take up much space. In today's video, we're going to showcase 5 of the best ITX cases that you can get for your next build.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the InWin A1, an ITX chassis with modern design, amazing cooling performance, and greater ease of use. Apart from its mini ITX motherboard compatibility, this case has a specialized graphics card holder that can support full-size GPUs of up to 320mm and two 2.5-inch SSDs on its dedicated drive base. This case comes with two 120mm RGB fans for aggregate cooling and a 650W PSU to power your system up. And if that's not enough, you can add 2 more for maximum cooling. With all these components inside of it, this case is spacious enough to hold CPU coolers of up to 160mm tall. Other perky features include Qi wireless charging on top of the case, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and a headphone jack for optimal connectivity. Lastly, the tempered glass side panel provides additional cooling while working as a window to the inside of the chassis. Overall, the InWin A1 Plus is a spacious ITX that performs as well as it looks. Next up at number 4, we have the Razer Tomahawk, an elegant and compact PC chassis with Razer's signature aesthetics, ergonomic design, and precise modifications. It boasts a steel frame construction with aluminum pieces joining certain crucial points to hold them firmly together, which looks appealing and adds up to its durability. And then we have the swivel side panels that make sure that cables are managed efficiently, and as they are removable, it makes installation a lot easier. Moving on, the interior of this mini ITX chassis is spacious enough to install up to 2 120mm fans, 2 SSDs, an SFX LPSU, and GPUs of up to 320mm long hassle-free. For effective ventilation, you will get removable dust filters on the top panel that pairs quite well with the 120mm fan. The I/O panel is located at the top and houses 2 USB 3.0 audio connections along with power and reset buttons and a single USB-C port. As a premium mini ATX case, Razer Tomahawk holds up pretty well and is definitely a bang for a buck. At number 3, we have the Thermaltake Tower 100, a uniquely shaped mini ITX airflow case with easily accessible I/O and reasonable thermal performance. This vertically shaped chassis comes with 2 pre-installed 120mm cooling fans and 3 4mm tempered glass panels on the front, left, and right for effective dissipation. The vertical body design has 462.8mm of height, 266mm of width, and 266mm of depth that leaves off a small footprint on your desk that is ideal for minimal PC builds. Mini ITX builds often produce plenty of heat, and the air intake and exhaust system of this chassis is well developed to ensure that components stay cool no matter how intensively they are running. As for the I/O end located at the top portion, it holds two USB 3.0, one USB 3.1 Type-C along with audio ports, and the power button for your added convenience. If you are considering building a compact gaming PC, then you should give Thermaltake Tower 100 a try. Coming up at number 2, we have the NR200 by Cooler Master, a perfect mini ITX casing that brilliantly does what an ATX chassis would do, but in a much smaller form factor. Although the size is limited, the options on this chassis are almost unlimited. The side panel shows off a vented steel design that delivers unrestricted airflow, while the tempered glass side panel allows you to display your internal components excellently. With that aside, now let's talk about space. For cooling, you can install a total of 7 120mm fans and 2 80mm radiator, while for graphics, it can fit a full-length GPU and still have room for more. Don't believe us? Well, you can install multiple motherboards, including a mini ITX and a mini DTX, by mounting the PCU in front. In spite of being a mini ITX case, the Cooler Master NR200P reigns supreme with its outstanding cooling performance and spacious design, which makes it overall the best mini ITX case out there. Finally, at number 1, we have the NZXT-H1, a vertically designed PC chassis with powerful internal components and full-size GPU support. Featuring an aluminum steel construction and tempered glass side panel, this PC chassis not only looks sleek, but also will remain durable for a longer period. With its built-in mounting bracket, you can vertically mount your GPU and show it off. Thanks to its patented cable routing kit, matching cables will be a piece of cake for you. The case comes with a 140mm fan, removable front panel, large dust filter, and supports radiators up to 140mm in size, which altogether will keep your PC cool. The I/O panel is located at the top of the chassis and has one USB 3, one Type-C, and an audio jack for plugging in your headset. To sum things up, NZXT-H1 is a visually stunning ITX case that will appeal to the taste of most minimalist gamers out there. So that was all about the top 5 best ITX cases. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.